Okay, now where does the water go? The water basically goes into the ground. The groundwater is also part of the Okavango story. And then people say, well, it comes out, it flows through the Kalahari, it comes out in Kuruman. Well, it doesn't. 5 Kuruman is not Okavango water. And you can see that if you look at the water chemistry, the Okavango water is dominated by carbonate, and these other waters around here are dominated by chloride and sulfate. There's no outlet in the ground, underground. There's only one outlet, and that's up. And the delta really is sitting on a mound. The groundwater basically is domed up underneath the Okavango Delta. The water comes in, flows into the ground, and it's formed this huge mound of groundwater. The water table gets closer and closer to surface as you get to the delta, and then it reaches surface in the middle. And the way it works, these are diagrams from Piotr's papers. You get, as the flood arrives, before it can advance, it's got to lift the groundwater table to surface. So that's the water flows in, and the bulk of the water, probably about 80%. Piotr's calculation suggests 90% of their work was done on the edge of Chief Island. The more conservative figures, about 80% of the water that flows in the delta, the seasonal water, goes into the ground in order to lift up the water table. And that's why there's a memory in the system. Because we had a big flood last year, the water table is sitting much higher, so it consumes less water, so the water goes further. That's why there's that memory.